Hello, I am Allysia, the host of Piano TV, and I am inviting you to join the Pop Song Challenge. What this challenge is 30 days of learning how to write your own pop song. Whether you've written music before or you're totally new to writing pop music, this course is going to help you out with that. By the end of the course, you will have your very own composition, complete with lyrics, melody, chords, something that you can play on piano and share it with friends and family. Again, even if you're brand new to this, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. And it's a process that you can use again and again and write many more songs. I've been writing music since I was a little kid, basically. I have old diaries from when I was 8 years old with these little lyrics that were basically approximations of what the Backstreet Boys were writing, simple pop stuff, where I'd have like my rhyming schemes and my silly choruses and verses and stuff like that. So this is something that I've been doing for almost my entire life. And I've also recorded a couple albums with my band. One in 2012, which I recorded with the band The Criminal Kid, and then I've also recorded another album in 2020, which as of this recording is in post-production. So I've been in a songwriting headspace lately just because I've been spending a lot of time writing music, preparing for the album, recording the album for much of this year. So I wanted to create a course for you that was along the lines of writing pop music, just because that's what I've been working on myself. I want this to be an actionable course that you can get immediate results from. So the way I've structured this is that there's going to be 30 lessons in 30 days. Every single day is going to have a small action item or task that you can complete. Oftentimes, and I would say even like 80 or 90% of the time, it's going to involve writing something yourself, or the remainder of the time it's going to involve doing some brainstorming and studying maybe pop songs that you like. So every single day is going to have something to do, something to accomplish, to move you forward towards your final project of creating a full piece of music. You do need a little bit of knowledge about how to play the piano going into this course. I would recommend maybe a year or two of experience before you try this one, because it's important that you have some ability to play hands together and some understanding of chords and just general and basic music concepts. So if you're a complete beginner, I would encourage you to wait a while before jumping in and giving this a try. For this challenge, you will have access to a video lesson for every single day of the challenge. You will be able to access the challenge forever, even when it's finished, so you can go through it as many times as you'd like. And you'll also have access to a group of other people who are going through the challenge as well, so you can share what you're working on, see what other people are working on, and just provide camaraderie and support and just expand your experience. I'm also going to be doing a live weekly call, and there's going to be 5 calls during this full challenge. So on the calls, I'll give you feedback on the pieces of music that you submit and give you suggestions, and we can all support each other that way. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited about this. It's been a while since I've done a challenge like this. Back in September 2018, I did 30 Days of Piano, which was a daily thing, sort of in the same vein as this, and it was one of my favorite courses that I've ever created. So I wanted to do something in a similar style because there's always such a good group energy going through something like this. So I do hope you'll join me. I think it'll be tons of fun, and can't wait to see you and get started.